The new XF is a car that the whole team and myself are very excited about creating. We knew it was going to be a great challenge, but I also knew what we created at the end of it would be another very, very special car indeed. Well, the XF really is the heart of the Jaguar brand, between XE and XJ. It's a practical sports saloon car, and I think will meet the needs of so many people who want that Jaguarness, that sportiness, but also that practicality. But it sits beautifully now between the two bookends of our saloon car range. When we're designing any Jaguar, there are fundamentals that have to be right. The silhouette has to be exciting, so we maintain the XF silhouette in so many ways. Still a coupe profile because we're a sports car company, that's very important to us. But also I always maintain that if you're going to create an image of some sort, you have to have one or two very strong elements in the car. And the strongest element in this car visually is the waistline, the shoulder line that runs through it. We've worked very hard to create a very strong shoulder line. It's much more elegant and it's much more relaxed in many ways, but it's much stronger as well. It's very powerful, and it runs right through underneath the window graphic of the car. And you notice this from 200 meters, and it really ties the whole car together. So one simple line, beautiful surfaces falling from it. So the final view of the car should be absolute purity. I think we do that better than anybody else. And the whole car really feels at one with itself. It's got a beautiful balance, and it's a very handsome car. When you look at it, your first impression of it is it's a real Jaguar because of the profile, because of the stance, and also because of the way it sits on the road. And the one thing I love about this is you recognize the front of the car as a Jaguar. It has a very, very strong grille, more upright, and the grille comes forward at you. It's quite assertive actually. And then the surfaces around the grille that flank the grille drop away into the headlamps, and a very, very pure surface. I think it's quite unique, and that's one element of the car, that corner of the car that I really love. The challenge on this car was enormous because we were coming off a car that was hugely successful to us, but we had to make it better. And one of the ways we did that was to take the character of it and just take it on to the next level. The previous XF, we created something very special indeed. With this new XF, I think we created something that's even more special, and I really can't wait to see it on the road.